I'm excited to walk you through a chapter of our new book, You Will Get Through This, a mental health first aid kit. The anxiety chapter starts as all of the chapters start, with some background information on the issue. You'll notice throughout the book that there are sections that highlight what the research says about the fact that you are not alone if you're dealing with this issue. We also provide information on what professional help may look like, what types of therapies or treatments you might consider if you are dealing with any of the issues we talk about in the book. We then will highlight strategies that you can try in the moment to help manage the issue. You'll notice there are kid-friendly icons throughout the book, and these are specifically geared toward strategies that you can utilize with younger individuals to help them manage the issue. How could they manage anxiety? There's also other boxes highlighted about how the issue in this chapter, anxiety, impacts your brain and your body. In each chapter, you'll also find what are some of the common barriers to feeling better and dealing with that issue. When we name each of these, we highlight some ways that you might be able to work around or through those barriers. You'll notice here another box that's in each chapter in which we highlight what are some of the comorbidities or other things you might be dealing with if you're facing anxiety. We then highlight how you might communicate about the issue if you're the one experiencing it or if a loved one is experiencing that issue. Each chapter rounds off with an example of what this might look like in real life. In the anxiety chapter, we talk about a fictitious individual that is experiencing anxiety, and her name is Aisha. Each chapter ends with a reading list and other resources to get you to continue your journey in investigating and learning about what might help you deal with each issue that you're facing.